Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to use your PayPal credit to shop on Amazon. Even though Amazon doesn't directly accept it, I'll walk you through a few simple workarounds, so let's get right into it. First, can you use PayPal credit on Amazon? First off, the straightforward answer is no. Amazon doesn't directly accept PayPal or PayPal credit as a payment method. Instead, it only accepts credit card and debit card like Visa, MasterCard, American Express and Discover. Amazon store card, Amazon gift cards, checking accounts. So if you are hoping to use PayPal credit directly at checkout, you are out of luck. But don't worry, there are a few workarounds. Use a PayPal cash card. This is one of the easiest methods. Get a PayPal cash card. It's a debit card linked to your PayPal balance, including your PayPal credit line. Use this card just like any other debit card on Amazon. This way, you are essentially drawing from your PayPal credit without any complicated steps. Another popular option is to use your PayPal credit to buy Amazon gift cards from platforms that accept PayPal. Purchase a gift card with your PayPal credit. Apply the gift card code to your Amazon account. Use the balance at checkout like cash. Just keep in mind that this method won't let you pay off your gift card balance over time like regular PayPal credit purchases. So make sure you are comfortable with that. Some third-party services allow you to pay on Amazon using PayPal, but this can be a bit riskier. They often involve additional fees and may not offer the same level of security as using PayPal directly. While these workarounds can help you use your PayPal credit on Amazon, remember that the interest rates can be high, so try to pay off your balance as quickly as possible. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick finance tips.